YouTube. Tonight I'm going to record a couple things I'm doing on the Wilton Vise. I'm extracting one screw out of the front little collar where there's 3 screws that locks the, the screw in. I'm also taking the jaws off the vise, which I was highly surprised, which you'll see in the footage. And I was just looking at these little handles, which another little footage I'll show you. So anyway, is my intro to my Wilton, I guess it's the Wilton No4 restoration. The vise is a vintage Wilton No4 vise. It's pretty big. It's got 4.5-inch jaws. Made in Chicago. It's not a Schiller Park vise, so I was told they moved Schiller. They started putting Schiller Park on it after 1957. This must be an earlier one. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Hello YouTube. What I'm attempting to do is, thankfully this Wilton vise here has one stuck screw and not all of them. So apparently it goes in, this one's fine. That one goes in there fine. This one goes in here fine. I gotta find new screws. Apparently it came with a 1 bolt holding it together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this with a punch, so I can get a drill in here and drill the screw out and then clean up the threads. So I'm gonna hit this with a punch here, just so the drill stays somewhat. There we go. Drill it out and then see if I can get it out. But I'm gonna spare you the grief, because I mean, everybody's seen people drill holes, and well, you know, yeah, who the hell wants to spend 10 minutes watching me screw up a hole? So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, watch for the next video. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to show you everything I'm doing as I fix this, Wilton vise. I got some parts I got to order and some machining and some welding on it to do, and it's going to be a while, so enjoy. Hello YouTube. I'm just attempting to thread the hole. I'm not really good at this. In fact, I'm worried I'm going to break the goddamn thread extractor. So, just following the rules, you know, just go slow and back and forth. That's all I can ask for. Worst case scenario, I'm going to take the little, if I can't get this to rethread, because I suck at it, I'm just going to put a fake screw on the head and, well, I'll just, weld it on from the backside and just use 2 screws. Because, you know, nothing wrong with faking it. What's that old saying? Fake it until you make it. So, yeah. I think I've only tapped 1 other screw or bolt hole in my life. I've got lucky with a lot of bolts. So, this one, who knows? I probably should put some lubricant on it. Anyway, that's it for... I'll show you that. This is pretty boring, so I'll skip this. Okay, YouTube. I'm doing this again because I threaded it the wrong size. I made it too small. So I am trying this again. I don't want to snap it in there, so I'm just going very slowly. What I was reading is you do about half a turn, go back and forward, just take your time, don't rush. And maybe if you got a good thread kit, it will not break. I'm hoping it won't break. But yeah, that's, I made it the wrong size. So anyway, I'll stop this and I'll just keep going because I'm going to be here for a while. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Well, it just so happens I drilled out the hole, and I drilled kind of off center, so the hole is like, yeah, a little bit over. It's not perfect, but guess what? The screw goes in here. This one fits. It's a little jiggly, but it fits all the way in and it works. And if I put it in the other one, I don't think it's as wobbly as in the other one, but this screw is a little bit tighter in this one, but yeah, it's still a little wobbly. But yeah, seems like I did a pretty good job. The little collar might be a little offset, but meh, you know what, it ain't perfect. I gotta file this down a little and it'll all be good. Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm working on the Wilton vise. What I did is I cut a slot in here because basically the sacrificial lime on here is the jaws. So I'm going to see if I can try to... I cut a slot in it, hoping that I can maybe fit a screwdriver in there and get it out. I'm going to try to cut a deeper slot because I don't think I cut it deep enough, and I also need a smaller screwdriver. So yeah, that's my plan. I will cut a deeper slot real quick, and then I'll get a screwdriver so I can get these out. I doubt it, probably rusted in there from 60 years of crap. Yeah. I also think my screwdriver is a bit too big, so let's see if this will work. Yeah. Bigger screwdriver, or smaller I should say. So anyway, hold on to your hat. I'll be right back. This comes up. Well, YouTube, surprise, surprise. Got some little revelation going on here. Let me move this up a little. Drilled out the front, hit this with a chisel, and it looks like maybe these... I don't know if this is screwed in or I'm just ripping the screws out, but appears to be... the jaws just ripped right out. So yeah, it looks like... I don't even know if these are screwed in. Doesn't even look like there's a... That's what's left of them. I think the threads on the screws just burnt right out. Gonzo. Looks pretty crusty in there. But at least the holes are intact. It's not perfect, but look at that. Million years worth of rust. I've seen better things, but you know what? I might just put a couple of tack welds there just to clean it up. I think this might give me the trouble. But anyway, I'll show you this. This little thing here. Watch. This is what... I don't know if you can see that, but hold it up to the camera. That's what I'm left with so far. That's what I got for the Vise jaws. Hello YouTube. I might have got lucky on this thing because guess what? I think these jaws just might rip right out. I don't even think they're screwed in. Look at that. Lucky. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That's got to be the easiest jaw removal I've ever seen. They're just pinned in there, which is strange. Anyway, I'll turn it off and I'll show you the other side. Hello YouTube, it's me again. I noticed these little nuts on here. I put them on my buffer and I don't know if you could see this, but they look like they're, I don't know if it's brass or bronze. I'm not a, what do you call it, material expert, but they come out nice and smooth and shiny. The little things that crank the thing there. But look, see, this is all the dirty one. I would assume it's made of brass. This thing is like, has definitely seen better days. This side is bent, but oh wait, here we go. This side's bent, but it still looks like shit. This one is a complete basket case. I like how they have the little, they just dimpled it in there. And this side, I'm gonna order a new bar from McMaster Car, and I'm probably gonna have to get a bigger one so I can make this little thing. And then I'll make 2 new pieces. I'm not a machinist, but I'm pretty sure I could whip this out and make one. I'm just curious though, did they make these out of brass? Like, that's pretty cool. So anyway, enjoy. Hope you liked the video.